In this video, we will see how we can perform the HTTP GET operation with the help of HTTP client module. Let me start adding a new component in our Angular application. So first of all, we have to add HTTP client module in our import array. It is nothing but the Angular provided class that is used to perform the GET operation and other put request to our API. So let me start to perform a simple operation in our test component. We have a sample working API that will return the list of record related to the student. We need to add this selector to our app.component.html. Let us go ahead and run the application. So it printed the two records that it has received by calling the HTTP GET to the defined URL. Save and run. You will get the HTTP response on your web page. So in this way, with the help of HTTP client module, that was the service module provided by the Angular, and allow us to perform HTTP requests and easily manipulates those requests and their responses. So in the same way, you can perform some other services, some other methods like post, put, etc. And this is the common example that is used to retrieve the data from the given API. And also it's better to provide these services to our module based service. So first of all, you have to create the service and utilize these HTTP get post request over there, and you just need to inject your service and utilize that particular method like get student or add student, etc. Thank you so much.